It's a semi-automatic nursery seeding machine, and it can cultivate different kinds of vegetables and flower seeds in greenhouse. You need to place the soil into the tray and put the tray on the machine manually. Then the machine can automatically dig a hole on the middle of each tray and drop the seeds into it at the same time, which saves much operation time. It's a truly safe task. Only one seed can lie in each tray, and it can improve the seedling survival rate, avoiding the pests and diseases. Combo seed task. We can customize the size of the tray according to your need. In addition, its structure is flexible, and most parts can be adjusted by yourself. Its capacity is 200 trays per hour. Catch loop seed task. As a solution, the precision is high. Please contact our website to know more.